Hi everyone, welcome to the GraceLife DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Green Table Setting Monthly Color Series, and that's being hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Now, the co-host of this collab is Viology and Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you. I'm so grateful for you from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in my description box. I'm also going to be linking the channel links and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their table in green. Now don't forget to click that like button because this helps me to grow. And don't forget to comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now I decided to decorate a table for two, romantic, out on my enclosed porch, and I have the lights lit. So let me go ahead and start telling you about the table. Now, the lantern on the back of the table was an item that I bought at a reduced price in Home Goods. All I had to do really is take it apart and just change the battery. I can't believe I only got that for like $10. That was a great buy. Now, the tablecloth is a thrifted item, and I believe I got that at the Salvation Army. Now the charger and the plates did come from the Dollar Tree. So you have the gold charger and then you have the clear plate, and the salad plate is that lovely color green. Now I made these beige napkins with the fat quarters that they sell at the Dollar Tree. All I did was trim them out, and now I'm fanning them over the plate with the Dollar Tree napkin holder, and I think these came out absolutely beautiful. Now the mirror coasters, I did purchase that at the Dollar Tree, and then I went ahead and had wrapped a garland around the lantern. those beautiful green tint wine glasses, those were gifted to me. And then the water glasses, those were thrifted items that I got from the Salvation Army. Now the flatware, I purchased that at Target and that was on sale, so that was a great buy. Okay, so now we light some candles and set the mood. This looks so romantic, guys. So I thought would look really nice is placing a fern right alongside of the plate. It looks so beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think we need to take a closer look at the table. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Marilyn from Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, Viology, and Creatively Miss Me for hosting this collaboration. I think the table came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.